you're both in there. I want to check a chick. Don't sit on your eggs. I need your chickies. Look at you, sweetheart. So, this is little Miss Gnomish. She's not so little anymore. It's 41 grams. Look at that crop. Look how stuffed that crop is. How are you going? Your legs under you? That's good. Hello, sweetie. Look and see. Her feathers are starting to grow. See the dark discoloration? And what you might not know is that birds actually kind of had thumbs. They're never used or anything, but see how that's their little thumb. That's their finger bones all out there, but that's their thumb, the tiny little nub there. See how it's separate? See? Look at you, and your eyes are open. Your eyes open. See? You must be day 9. Eyes open on day 9. Maybe you're day 10. Fat little belly. Look at that. You see food in his belly. Her belly. This is Miss Gnomish. Food. And look at that fat crop. That tiny little grey crest sprouting. Look at that. Hello, sweetie. Let me have a look at you. And this is Piggy in the middle. Hello, sweetheart. Look at that. So you're at least a day off your eyes opening, probably 2 days off. I actually suspect he's going to be pied because, see, you can't see his crest sprouting between his eyes like you can see hers. See the little grey spot there? That's the crest starting to sprout. So he's going to have little yellow crest, so he's going to be pretty colours. Probably be a bit like Duffy was. Okay, you go back to your mum and dad. Okay, you ready? Yeah. There we are.